Hey guys! Today, we're going to learn how to make a delicious and super quick hot dog, perfect for those busy days. In less than 9 minutes, you'll have an amazing snack. Ingredients: serves 4 people. For the hot dog, 4 hot dog buns. For sausages, 1 liter of water. 1 teaspoon of salt. For the sauce, 1 tablespoon of oil. 1 medium onion, chopped. 2 garlic cloves, minced. 1 medium tomato, chopped. Half a cup of tomato sauce. Half a cup of water. 1 teaspoon of sugar. Salt and black pepper to taste. 1 teaspoon of oregano, optional. For assembly and toppings, half a cup of sweet corn. Half a cup of green peas. Half a cup of crispy potato sticks. 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise. 4 tablespoons of ketchup. 4 tablespoons of mustard. Grated cheese to taste. Instructions: 1. Preparing the sausages. In a medium saucepan, add 1 liter of water and the salt. Bring the water to a boil and add the sausages. Cook for about 5 minutes until they are heated through. Drain the water and keep the sausages warm in the covered pan. 2. Making the sauce. In a frying pan or small saucepan, heat the oil over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and sauté until soft and golden. Add the minced garlic and cook for 1 minute until fragrant. Stir in the chopped tomato and cook until it starts to break down. Add the tomato sauce and water, mixing well. Season with sugar, salt, black pepper, and oregano. Let it simmer for 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until it thickens slightly. Remove from heat and set aside. 3. Assembling the hot dog. Slice the buns open without fully separating the halves. Spread a thin layer of mayonnaise inside each bun. Place a sausage inside each bun. Pour a generous amount of sauce over the sausage. Add sweet corn and green peas as desired. Drizzle with ketchup and mustard to taste. Sprinkle crispy potato sticks on top for extra crunch. Finish with grated cheese for a delicious touch. 4. Serving. Serve immediately while still warm, accompanied by a cold soda or fresh juice. Tips and variations. White heavy checkmark for extra flavor. Try grilling the sausages before placing them in the buns. White heavy checkmark for a creamier hot dog. Add cream cheese or melted cheddar. White heavy checkmark brioche buns can be used for a softer, more gourmet version. White heavy checkmark for an American-style hot dog. Add crispy bacon and caramelized onions. Enjoy and share this delicious hot dog recipe with your audience. Hot dog fork and knife with plate.
And that's it.
In less than 9 minutes, you have a delicious and easy-to-make hot dog. If you like the recipe, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more quick recipes.